Mother Goose Nursery Rhyme Treasury. Mother Quack's Dog and Cat. Old Mother Quack lived in a shack, along with her dog and cat. What they ate I can't tell, but it's known very well that not one of the party was fat. Old Mother Quack scored out her shack and washed both her dog and cat. The cat scratched her nose, and no one quite knows who was the gainer by that.